Yo, what's up? Alright, so today we're going to be going over a GBPJPY trade that I did take yesterday. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, what I always do in my strategy, I do like to start off looking at the weekly time frame. This candlestick, I know it's looking like a doji right now, but that's just what it was looking like when I was looking at it at the time. So we still have Friday. Well, I'm recording this Friday. You get it. But so I seen that we were coming to this major resistance level up here. So then I was thinking, okay, price possibly could like retrace. So therefore, from that, I went down to my daily time frame, and then I seen that price created a doji on the daily time frame, and we actually made a double top. So therefore, that was telling me, okay, yo, we're looking for some sells. So then I went down to my 4 hour, and I usually trade at 5 to 5:30 in the morning. So then obviously waited for that candlestick. So I'm replaying it so it kind of looks a little bit more realistic. So you can like kind of understand like my thinking when I was trading it. So what I did see is that price actually hit this resistance level once, twice, I would count that, 3 and 4, and then now I'm predicting that it's going to be a 5th time that we're going to hit this level. So with that being known, I feel like price is going to do the same exact thing over here that it did right here and just drop. So, and the pattern kind of looks very similar as it is over here. So then now I'm going to go down to my 1 hour time frame, and I usually look for like a doji or like a shooting star or a hammer on like a key level or area of resistance. So then that's usually going to tell me like, okay, yo, let's go down to our 10-minute time frame, and then let's obviously scale in for our entries. So with these two candlesticks right here, seeing that, okay, we are losing some power, but obviously we're still bullish. And then this candlestick hit that support level, and obviously we still are showing some signs of weakness. And then we go to the next hour. Okay, so I see that price looked up there again, and we still are showing some signs of weakness. So that's, to me, it's 3 candles in a row where we're showing some signs of weakness on this very large and very big resistance level. And we also know on our daily time frame that this is a doji. So, and we also know that pound pairs usually like to move around like London session and New York session. So seeing that, then I actually went down to my 10-minute time frame. I know it's a little weird. Nobody usually trades 10. That's exactly why I do it. But I mean, it doesn't really matter. So then I saw this break right here. I did this like basically the same strategy as MobFX. Go check him out because he's obviously a lot better at this than I am, because I'm still learning myself. But obviously I got in right here because I saw this break, and then I put my stops above that main resistance level, and I just let it play out. And here I would have got in for like a scale in entry, so, and then had just 2 entries going down to this level. But I was like, that's not looking good enough to me. And of course price obviously went straight down to this level, and unfortunately, since I'm still working on my psychology, I actually got out right here because I was like, oh my god, I don't know, price may go back up since it's a major support level. But so I got out, took my profit, and then when you know, price of course went straight to my first take profit level, and it actually would have hit my second take profit, I believe. Yep, so it would hit my second take profit. So that's one thing that I'm going to be working on when I'm trading, is just trust myself, and when I'm trading, then just let the trade go. But I noticed that, okay, well, price just broke this major level of support, which is also a psychological key level for me. And I noticed that price was actually repeating the same thing down here that it did up here. So, and I knew we were in a bearish market since we broke this level. And then I seen from this candlestick pattern right here, which to me is like a bearish engulfing, and I seen that, okay, price is rejecting this major resistance level now. So what I'm gonna do is just obviously again wait for that break. I got that break right here, and I put my stops up about right here because I felt like, okay, if price comes back above this major key level, then okay, most likely the trade's over with and price is just going to continue in the bullish direction. So luckily price went all the way down, and I believe again, I repeated again, I got out right here because I was worried that price was just gonna reverse and shoot up. So, and of course price went directly to this level, and I usually like to target where like the last major area where price wicked at before like shooting up, which is like obviously very similar to this. So see, one thing I always want to take from my trades is, okay, what did I do wrong? Obviously I had a good trade, but I wasn't trusting myself, so that's some psychological that I can work on. But I mainly do these videos so you can see how I trade, and so I can be as transparent as possible. And of course, so you're gonna see my wins, you're gonna see my losses. You're not gonna see me when I'm in my fields though. But yeah, but I can tell you, since it is Friday and the market is actually closed, I can tell you where I actually possibly seeing the market going in the future. So obviously, see, we know that this is a major level of support, or it's looking like a major level of support. And then go to the daily, and then I see that price actually, so we have a high, higher low, then a double top, and then price went all the way down here. So I'm expecting price to possibly come back up to 157 and then continue down to 155. But that's just my prediction for next week. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see some other type of video, and I will see you on the next one.